Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Samsung S25 Edge. First thing is to thank you. Okay, is to disable the Wi-Fi and enable it again, and do the same with flight mode. So enable for a couple of seconds and then disable it again. Then go to Wi-Fi and forget the network that you're having trouble to connect to, and then connect again. If it's still not working, then restart the router. Oh, the wrong password. Then restart the router and your phone. Next, the last thing is to check for software updates. So we're going to Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and click Download and Install. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.